Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Windows 10 system sounds are not playing properly on your computer. So if you've already checked your speaker icon down in your system tray and you've tried adjusting the audio, or you've actually made sure that your speakers are turned on. So if you have external speakers, make sure that they are in fact turned on. And you've tried that already and you're still having a problem, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu. Type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel here. And then underneath get up and running, select playing audio, find and fix problems with playing sound, and select run the troubleshooter. Okay, so I'd recommend following along with whatever on-screen prompts it suggests here. And then restart your computer and see if that resolves the problem. Another thing we can try here would be to open up the start menu, type in CMD, best result should say command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to just go ahead and type in SFC space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done here, go ahead and close out of this command prompt window, restart your computer, and then hopefully I should have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.